Hello everyone, I'm Ahmed Sabur, a product manager on the AKS team at Microsoft, and I'm excited to invite you to join us at the first ever KubeCon Cloud Native Con India in Delhi. We're kicking things off with an event that we're calling the Azure Days with Kubernetes on the 9th and 10th of December. On the 9th, we'll have multiple hands-on labs running throughout the day, including things like an introductory lab for how to get started with deploying applications on AKS Automatic, how to make them resilient and scalable, and how to monitor them. We'll have a day 2 advanced lab for deploying and managing multiple clusters, securing your applications using workload identity, monitoring cluster updates and cost analysis. And we'll also have a developer-focused lab. On the 10th, in the morning session, we'll be focused on developers, and we'll cover driving productivity with AKS Automatic and AI, building intelligent and scalable and resilient applications, deploying stateful applications on AKS, workload security, observability, and cost optimization strategies. And after lunch, the focus will be on operators and platform engineers, with topics like upgrades, business continuity and resiliency, cluster security, networking, and building a distributed fleet of clusters. The operator track will also include an Ask Me Anything session with AKS product experts. At KubeCon, join us at the Microsoft Azure Booth to find out the latest advancements on the Azure Kubernetes service. And also, you can check out demos on a variety of topics. Our experts will be there to guide you and answer all your questions. Make sure to register for the Azure Days with Kubernetes events and visit us at the KubeCon India booth. For more details and to register, check out the link below, and I'll see you in Delhi.